Animal Company's new update. We're in a full pirate outfit because there's pirates now. What is this? We'll check that out in a sec. Item. Ooh. I'm gonna get the cop that in a minute. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Come. Oh. That's a cool little item. I'll put that in there for now. Let's see the new items. Thing. Portable safe. Okay, I don't know what stuff. Let me see if we're gonna go and just get this load out. I think this should be good. I think we might want to public server lobby. This is the last part of the fishing update, by the way. We're going to check it out with some other lads. Actually, you can't actually make fish. Actually.
Yeah, Einstein freaking dog.
What is this?
Oh, nice. Because I actually am.
Yo.
What the heck? Oh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. What is this? Oh gosh. I do not like this.
Yo.
No. Yo.
Oh.
This is so cool.
Yo.
Can someone get me a fishing rod?
You can buy
I
fishing
don't
rods
have it
over
all.
here.
Wait, is this a no PvP server?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I don't
no
think
PvP.
it's PvP.
Here. Okay.
All I can do. Oh, that's really good. Can I have one? Of those?
Oh yeah, sure. Come here.
I need
kind of
like
fish rod is that?
can you like give me
Whoa,
diamond
what
fish? Can you
happened?
give me diamond fish?
What
Can you give me diamond
What
fish?
happened?
Like to
What
sell
happened?
it,
What
to
is
sell.
that? Thank you.
What happened here?
Hey, who wants this? I already have one.
Hey. I
Is
want
there
this.
anything other to do here than fishing?
I don't want to.
I thought there was like a megalodon monster, right?
Yeah, there was.
Yo, there's a steering wheel up here. Maybe we control the ship. Maybe we can control the ship. There's a steering wheel.
There was.
There's a steering wheel up here.
You can't control the ship. Well, you can.
You can? Yo.
But
This
the
way.
question
Hey,
is, does it move the ship? Does it move the ship? No, we're still staying in place. Wait, let's try going up these ropes. There's ropes over here.
Then where is it?
Oh, look what
I already got that one. Like,
Pilot ship? Yo.
well, they respawn, that's what. In the same place.
Come on.
Did this update come out today?
The actual frick. Yo. No. No! Oh my gosh. You can't even see the ship from up there.
We can see her in the water. Bro, the water is clean.
Wait, let's try jumping in the water. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go! Oh, cool.
clear up days in the water.
It is? Oh, it is.
Is this? Is it? I feel like there's got to be more than just a pirate ship, right?
Yeah, this is
There's
a
probably
pirate
some
ship,
secrets.
and they're using the megalodon. It's
Kind
like
of
a
like over there.
steampunk ship.
How's like that little area over there? No one check it out. Did this update come out like today?
Yeah. It did. Let me check. Dun, 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 dun.
Yo,
What is that? Yo, what's with these new fish? Yo, what's that fish? That thing is crazy. Yo, that fish is crazy.
one of the stage 5 rooms.
Yo, look at his fish. Go, go.
Yo,
Look at his fish.
so, can I use your backpack, please?
Oh my god, I got the diamond fish! Oh my god, this is huge!
Okay, yeah, you can use
Oh.
my backpack.
What the? Yo!
No, like I want to like have it.
No.
Yeah, let them keep it, bro. Finders keepers, dog.
Put it in your, sell it. Sell it over there.
Yo, I think it's too rare. I don't
Yeah,
wanna.
but you'll be able to buy it after if you put it in there too.
Wait, go, yo, back away, please. I don't want
Okay.
you to.
Yeah, but like if you put it in there, you'll be able to buy it after too. So if you look in here,
Give me?
you can buy it. If you look in your index of the fish, you can buy it.
Oh yeah.
It's like you can buy this one. I'm sorry. I have to do this. I have to revive you. Yeah, there's a glitch where if you use
You
the
know
sea
those
mines,
40
you can kill people with no PvP.
It's just fishing.
Yeah, bro, can you like give me a special fishing rod? Can you give me a... What is that?
What? Yo! I don't know what it is! Oh my god, I think I got something good!
What is
I got
that?
something good.
It tells you where the
glitch.
dandelions
Yeah,
are
bro, can you give
at.
me a special fishing rod, please? Can you
Oh,
give me a special fishing rod?
Dandelions?
Fudge! Ugh.
Oh my god!
Or can you like give me a good fish?
Yeah.
Give me a
Yo,
good
I
fish.
have a question.
Yo,
Here.
What is
Here?
Somebody meet
Cat.
me because I have a
Oh my
question.
god, you caught a good fish! That's a good fish!
Yo, look what I caught! Look what I caught!
Huh?
Guys, look what I caught!
I said, that's a good fish! Oh.
Should I sell it? I'm sorry.
Wait, does it count as another clover if it's in the same spot it was in? Yes.
One of the rarest.
I made a
Oh
floating.
my god, a nice
Can
cute
somebody
fish!
give
No, it's like a Minecraft.
Dude,
Minecraft fish.
Can somebody
like
give me
Minecraft.
5 clovers?
Yo, is this update gonna be out for only a little bit of time?
If I find one that was
No, I
in the
think
same
it's gonna be
spot,
out just like forever.
does it still count within the 5 I need to find?
Yes, this is the best.
Yes.
Look, fight.
Yo, I got a Minecraft. Oh, yo, what's this?
whoa!
It's like a piranha Minecraft.
Yo,
Yo, it's a piranha
Whoa.
Minecraft fish.
oh my god!
I'm about to eat your
Piranha.
I'm sorry, I blocked.
I'm sorry, I blocked away.
Meeting stir or fish. This enables sprint. Is
Oh, no,
always
with some cool-
hungry. Cat goes cold. Yo,
Oh, I got something good too!
yo, boy, guys,
Aw, shut
guys,
the
guess
cat
what?
fish.
I just looked at something.
Ooh,
Now, when you eat fish, they actually give you effects.
grab it.
Some fish. When you eat some fish, they actually give you effects now. So, like, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it's not that good.
That's pretty cool. Hey! Alright, I'm getting bored. I don't have the shortest attention span, guys. I just
Oh,
need
that's
some
a big
content
fish.
for my viewers. So I'm gonna go back to spawn.
Car.
Guys, I promise I don't have a low attention span. That was actually really exciting. But